Introducing the new lineup of RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ wet-dry vacuums with the cordless convenience of the ONE+ system designed to keep you moving. Delivering the power you need where you need it and accessories that ensure you have the right tool for the job, from dry to wet and everything in between. Compatible with the Link Modular storage system to ensure these vacuums stack up and clean up in any environment without compromising power, compatibility, convenience, or runtime. With a compact design for ultimate portability, this lineup is ready to go anywhere and do anything, from cleaning off to cleaning up. The new lineup of RYOBI 18-volt ONE+ wet-dry vacuums, all part of the ONE+ system, exclusively at the Home Depot.